Dogs may be our best friends, but they still need to feel safe with us. In this video, you will learn how to approach an unfamiliar dog calmly, spot signs of stress or aggression, and pet them in a gentle, non-threatening way. You will also see how to properly handle and comfort your own dog so every interaction is safe, respectful, and enjoyable for both of you. Petting a familiar dog. Learn each dog's favorite spots by watching its reactions. Focus on areas that get a wagging tail, relaxed body, or happy fuss when you stop, and avoid spots that make it stiffen or growl. Be careful with belly rubs. A dog on its back might be scared, not playful. Only rub its belly if it looks relaxed and happy, not tense or nervous. Teach kids to be gentle with dogs. No hugging, grabbing, kissing, tail pulling, or throwing things, as rough handling can scare the dog and lead to bites. Now and then, give your dog a full body massage from head to tail using gentle circular motions. It relaxes them and helps you notice any new bumps or changes in their health. Gently massage your dog's paws if it is comfortable with touch. This improves circulation, helps you spot grit or injuries, and lets you apply vet-approved moisturizer to dry pads. For puppies, regular paw handling makes future nail trimming easier. For teething puppies, softly massage their cheeks and jaw in small circles if they are comfortable. This soothes them and helps them get used to mouth handling for future dental care. Approaching a dog cautiously. Always ask the owner before petting a dog. Follow their instructions and ask where the dog likes to be touched. Be very careful with dogs that have no owner nearby, are chained, fenced in, or eating. They are more likely to bite, so approach slowly and stop immediately if you see any signs of aggression. If a dog starts barking, growling, stiffening up, or raising its hackles or tail, stop and give it space. If it looks scared, licking its lips, showing the whites of its eyes, holding its tail low, or pulling its ears back, do not push it. Never stare into a dog's eyes. And if it doesn't relax or come to you within 30 seconds, walk away. Crouch or squat to the dog's level and let it approach you. Do not lean directly over it. Gently offer the back of your hand for it to sniff. If it sniffs and stays calm, you can slowly start petting. To coax a shy dog, turn your body sideways, avoid eye contact, and use gentle, calm sounds. If possible, ask the owner its name and call it softly to help it feel safer. If the dog seems relaxed, slowly offer your fist for it to sniff, keeping it a little away from its face. Wait until it finishes sniffing before petting, and avoid using an open hand at first. Check if the dog looks relaxed. Loose body, soft eye contact, gentle tail wag. If it pulls away, stop petting and let it come to you again. And petting an unfamiliar dog. If the dog is calm, gently stroke or scratch the base of its ears from the side, not from above its head. If the dog stays relaxed, slowly pet along its back, neck, or chest. Avoid legs, tail, and private areas, and stop if it seems uneasy. Stop immediately if the dog growls, stiffens, lowers its tail, flinches, or pulls away. Stand still and only resume petting in a different spot if it relaxes and comes back to you. Avoid sudden or rough movements. Pet gently and slowly, and only increase pressure a little if the dog clearly enjoys it, so it doesn't get scared or overexcited. Treat every dog with respect, go slow, and let them lead the way. Safe, gentle petting turns strangers into trusted friends. Thanks for watching.